So I'm sure some of you heard by now that in addition to doing taxes and accounting and other tax preparation services here at Suncoast CPA Group, that we're also involved in real estate services and also in financial services and wealth management. You're probably wondering, how are we able to do all this here? How are we able to keep the tax base, all that information and all the things we have to do there? And now we're in real estate. Now we're also in wealth management and financial services. How's it all come together? And this is something I've been working on for quite a number of years, because as I've been in the tax business now and accounting business almost 30 years, I've seen time and time again many people make bad decisions because they either got bad advice or they got advice and did not know properly how to execute the advice they were given. So, and also with your real estate transactions, whether it be your home or investment property or rental properties, or maybe you're buying vacant land, whatever it is you're doing in real estate, also in your retirement planning and wealth management, those are two of the biggest areas where major decisions are going to have an impact on your life for a long period of time. And when I do your taxes, I have to understand it. I have to know what you've done. I have to figure out what you've done and how to properly account for that, either on accounting statements or when I do your taxes, or both. So over the years, I gained a lot of knowledge and a lot of information about both these areas. I myself am also a licensed realtor. I'm at Berkshire Hathaway. And myself, I've got investment properties. I've got commercial properties that I own that I've developed from the ground up. I own industrial warehouses with business partners. I've subdivided property. I'm building spec homes. I've flipped foreclosures and all different kinds of things in real estate myself as an investor and a realtor. But I've also helped you out with your taxes as you've done these things also. And I'm in a very good position to help you going forward, making these real estate decisions as your realtor and as your CPA. So how do I do this? I have a team of people at Berkshire Hathaway that I work with. Anthony Canaris. Anthony's been a real estate appraiser since the 80s and up in New York, and here he moved to Florida in the mid-90s. He's been a real estate appraiser since then. Still as an appraiser, doesn't really do a whole lot of appraisals. He'd focus on real estate for the last 7 or 8 years as an agent. He's also a licensed real estate broker. And so Anthony's my real estate business partner, Berkshire Hathaway, plus we have several agents on the team as well. So I'm not the one actually out there helping you find all your real estate, whether it be residential, commercial. I've got a team of people that I could help me out with that. But I can help you put together what you should be thinking about in real estate. For instance, if you want to buy a piece of rental property, I can make sure that we do a cash flow analysis to make sure that, where are the rents at? What are the expenses? What's your mortgage going to look like? What mortgage are you going to qualify for? And run the cash flow numbers on that to make sure that you're actually going to have a successful investment, where you talk about vacancy rates and how is that going to impact your cash flow? Do you have enough reserves to, if we have another recession, you may lose part of your rent roll, part of your tenants may go out of business or move away, whatever the case may be. We need to have a conversation to make sure that you aren't just getting into a real estate transaction with just barely enough capital to do it. We got to have reserves. Those are all things that we need to talk about to make sure that as you make these big decisions that you can be successful. And we can do that here at Suncoast CPA Group and also with my other partners at Berkshire Hathaway. In addition to that, Eric Arnett and I have teamed up to form Take Point Wealth Management. Just like in the real estate, I've seen people over the years make bad financial decisions. They don't buy life insurance soon enough. They may buy too much life insurance. They may buy a whole life policy, but all they had to have was term. They may not be properly planning for retirement. They may not be putting enough money away. They're not looking and forecasting what their budget's going to be in retirement. So here at Take Point, we can do all of those things with you as well. Here again, I'm not the product specialist. That's why I have Eric on board as my partner. Eric's been doing this for close to 25 years. He knows a lot about different products, whether it be annuities and life insurance and disability insurance or long-term care insurance, but also understands the markets, whether it be the stock market and the bond market as well. So he can help you out, and we can both help you out, putting together a plan where you're at today and being real about what you have today, and then what you need to plan on having in retirement, and put together a budget of what your retirement is going to look like, and how we bridge that gap. What we got to do in the next 5, 10, 15, 20, 30 years based on where you're at in life to get you to that point to where you can have a stress-free retirement. So that's how I'm able to, in case you're wondering, well, how is Randy doing the CPA business and he's doing real estate, financial services? I also have a partner now at Suncoast CPA Group. So I had Stephanie Knight is my partner at Suncoast CPA Group, and she's taken away a lot of the management responsibilities from me, so I can spend my time focusing time with clients and helping them with these big financial decisions that have short-term and long-term consequences if the right decision isn't made. So please come see us here at Suncoast CPA Group. We'd love to help you out. Love to talk to you, of course, about your taxes and your accounting work for your business or any other needs you have, accounting and tax related, but also want to talk to you about real estate, how we can help you buy, sell properties, whether it be your home, your dream home, investment property, raw land, and also how we can help you at Take Point Wealth Management have a stress-free retirement and make sure you make the right financial decisions over there to help you achieve that goal. Come see us here at Suncoast CPA Group. Call us at 352-596-2883 or on the web at suncoastcpagroup.com. This is This is Randy Woodruff. Thank you.